Okay, so hello guys. Today we're going to be sliding down the slide at Providence Elementary School. Let's do it for our first try. Well, this is coming out really fast. It's really, really fast. Okay, so we landed for the first time, and now we have to get up and let's do it again. So tiring. Now let's go. We have to get it up there. Okay, now we're on the hill. And it's gonna be beautiful walking up here this whole time. All the time. It's snowing outside. Really fun. Woo! Oh, it's tiring. So now we're gonna do it again. Let's go. I'm doing it again. This is what I'm going to do. Okay, we did it again. We did it again. Climb up. It's gonna take us forever. Woo! So tired. I'm so tired. It's just bad. My toes are hurting, my hands are hurting, everything. It's just crazy and at once fun. So guys, I hope you liked my video for today. So it was nice to meet you all, and I hope you like my other videos and subscribe a lot, put a lot of likes on it, and because the answer is there's gonna be way more interesting videos. So hope you like it.